Hello, I'm Marcy. Welcome to MoneyMarci. To subscribe, please click the red button in the bottom right corner of the video. Please feel free to share this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please use the comment section in YouTube. Today's video is about the forms and information you will need to gather to prepare your income tax return. Whether you're preparing it or someone is preparing it for you, the information still needs to be gathered. I'm recording this in December, so hopefully it is well timed for you. If you haven't prepared a budget yet, you may want to go look at the 3 videos I created around budgeting. Tax time is an opportunity to review your finances and take a look at where you are and where you were. To know the information to gather, start by reviewing your prior year's tax return. There will be another video about understanding your tax return, but for this video, we're just looking at what information was used to prepare it. Most likely, a lot of the sources of information last year are the same sources of information you'll need this year. Do you have everything you had last year? If not, does something not exist anymore? Maybe you left a job or closed a bank or investment account. What new should be added? Have you gotten married, divorced, had a child? Any jobs you had during the year should be sending you a W-2 if you were an employee or a 1099 if you were a contractor. Have you had a financial event, a new bank or investment account, purchased or sold a home, something of that type? Collect the forms as they arrive. I suggest an envelope or a shoebox and put anything you think you might need for your taxes in there as soon as it comes in. I don't know about you, but when I put something in a randomly chosen safe place, there is no guarantee I will ever see it again. Pay attention to what is missing. If you decide to prepare your return on April 10th, there's no guarantee that a prior employer is going to be in a rush or even be able to be in a rush at that time to send you a duplicate for your W-2. Again, anything you think you might need, keep. As a tax preparer, I always prefer to get a little more than I need instead of having to contact the client again and again for missing information. As the client, if you're paying by the hour, every time I have to pick up the return and put it down again, every time I have to call you, I'm going to charge you, so you might as well give me the information up front. What information do you need? Any and all jobs during the year that paid you on a paycheck with taxes taken out are required to provide you with a W-2. If you did contract work, you were paid but taxes weren't taken out, they should provide you with a 1099. Bank and investment accounts will provide you with a different type of 1099 for interest and dividend income. And if you sold stock, that's another type of 1099. I know it's crazy, everything is numbered 1099, but I didn't create the system. A mortgage statement if you own a home, and this may include the property tax information, but it's always good to have the property tax statements as well that you have been sent from the city or township or county. Sometimes there's useful information on that your tax preparer would like to see. I recommend using tax time to review your donations for the year. Even though most people can't deduct their donations anymore, making donations is an important way to support organizations that you believe in. And whether it's religious, service-based, health-based, education-based, or whatever, nonprofits depend on donations to survive. If you're in a 22% tax bracket, you would have gotten 22 cents back on every dollar you donated. So maybe you don't donate as much as you used to because you really only did it to balance things with the tax deduction, but you should still be able to support those organizations that you supported before. If you're not there for them, they may not be there for you. Maybe you're in school or you have a child in school. There are forms for that too. Also forms for distributions from accounts, whether investment accounts, retirement accounts, or money you put away for school. And if you receive unemployment income, there's a form for that. I've not listed every form you might see. The more forms you have, the more complex your tax return is likely to be, the more you need to go and see a financial professional to make sure you're making the best decisions with your tax return. The purpose of this video is an overview to help you get organized for tax returns. Thank you for listening. I hope this was useful for you. I look forward to seeing you next time.